Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking beef and Guinness stew. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Start by drizzling half of the oil over the beef and mix it all together. In a bowl, stir together the flour, salt, pepper and cayenne pepper. Add the beef and give it a good mix to get everything well coated. Put a frying pan on a medium-high heat and add the remaining oil. Add the beef and brown it on all sides. Once browned, add the onions, garlic and tomato puree. Stir everything together, reduce the heat to medium, cover and leave for 5 minutes. Now pour a third of the Guinness into the pan and scrape the bottom to release any extra bits for flavour. Add the remaining Guinness, carrots and thyme. Reduce the heat to low so it's just simmering. Cover the pan and cook for 2.5 hours, stirring occasionally. Finally, garnish with chopped parsley and enjoy while it's hot. It may take a little time, but it's well worth the wait. The beef and carrots will be soft and packed with flavour. They'll melt in your mouth. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.